Hello students, this is my third video for the nomenclature of the organic compounds. In my previous video I told you the rules of the IUPAC. There are several rules and today I am going to tell you how will you write the name of an organic compound or a compound from the given structure. So let's start. So take the first structure. This is the first structure. So first question arises, what will you do to recognize or to write the name of this structure? So first you should know the in the case of alk, you should know the value of alk. How will you get the name of the parent or the root compound? So the first rule of the IUPAC, remember that rule. Which was that rule? That rule was the selection of the longest chain. So first you select the longest chain in this structure. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon are here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 carbon are here. So here you found the longest chain of 6 carbon atom. So the value of L will be hex, and all the carbons are bonded with single bond. So the root name of the compound will be hexane. So half what you have done, hexane. So the parent compound of this structure is hexane. Now on hexane there are two substrate groups which are C2H5. It is C2H5. C2H5 and it is CS3. CS3 is called as methyl and this one called as ethyl. This one is called ethyl. So if you start from the right hand side, then the ethyl group will be given and will be located on the third position, third carbon. So it will be 3-ethyl. So it will be 3-ethyl. 3-ethyl. If you start from this end, 1, 2, 3, then this will be 3-methyl. 3-methyl. So both the substrate group have similar location. If you start this, then the 3-methyl. If you start from this, then this 3-methyl. So from which end do you start the numbering of the longest chain? How will you do? So now understand the IUPAC rule that which substrate group comes first in the alphabetical order will be preferred for the list number. So here it is ethyl and it is methyl. The E comes first in the alphabetic order and M, methyl, come later in that alphabetical order. So ethyl group will be preferred to give the least number in the longest chain. So here you have understood that 1, 2, 3. Here the ethyl group will be awarded 3 and the numbering will be started from the right hand side 4, 5, 6. So here 3-ethyl and 4-methyl hexane. Now how will you write the name of this compound? How will you write the name of this compound? Then the first you will write 3-ethyl and 4-methyl hexane. 3-ethyl, 4-methyl. You can write it 4-methyl and can you write it 4-methyl and 3-ethyl? No. The all prefixes, these are all prefixes. This is the root name. And the words which are written before the root name are called as prefixes. These are the prefixes. So when there are more than two prefixes, then the prefixes are written in the alphabetical order. So here ethyl will come first and then methyl. Again I am telling here there is this is for number. These are the words. So number and the words should be joined with a hyphen. So you will write here these ethyl, L is word and 4 is number. So here you should write a hyphen in this way. 3-ethyl, 4-methyl hexane. The name of the structure one will be the 3-ethyl, 4-methyl hexane. Now come to the second structure. So come to the second structure. What will be the name of the second structure? Now I tell you. So again, select the longest chain. You will find here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right. So this chain has the longest chain of 6 carbon. Again, we will try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon. Again 6 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon. So there are you found the longest chain of 6 carbon. And there are 3 longest chain in this. There are 3 structures. Which will be used? Which the longest chain you will select. So here I am giving this structure. First the longest chain, this one, C, C and C and C. 3 and 3. These are the 3. These are I have taken the 1, 2, 6. This is structure. Now this 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again I am telling you that take it that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is 6 and 4, 5 and 6. There are 4 structures having the same number of carbon atom. All the longest chain have 6 carbon atom. So the longest selection, which longest chain you will select. It is the problem. So the rules tells us the chain that have the maximum number of the constituent group or the substituent group will be selected. Again I am telling you, the chain that has the magnesium the maximum number of substituent group will be selected. So here consider this chain. If you are going to select this chain, this longest chain, so here this longest, 1 substituent group, 2 substituent group, 3 substituent group. You will find 3 substituent group on this chain. Again, consider this structure. So 1 substituent group, and two substituent group. This whole group will be considered as one substituent group. So here in this chain you will find only two substituent groups, and in the next structure, in this structure you will find this structure. You will find two, and now come to this 1, 2, 3, 4. On 1, 2, 3, this 2, 1 and 2. You will find only two substituent groups. In this structure, you will find the 2, and this structure you will find 2, and now come to this structure. This will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here in this structure you will get 4 substituent groups. Again, take it that this structure will 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3, there are 3. And if you consider the longest chain, this one, 2, 3, so then this 1 and 2. And again this concept, you take this C, then again there are 2 constants. So you will select this structure. This longest structure will be selected. This longest structure will be selected. So here again give the number. So here this we will get the list number if you start from this one. So here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in this compound you will find 4 substituent groups. 4 substituent group. So first write this substituent group. So write the substituent group. What are the number 1? This is methyl. You will write 1 methyl. 1 methyl. Again, this one is 2 methyl, because the methyl group is on number 2, and 3 for 3 ethyl. 3 ethyl, and here 3 ethyl and 4. This is propyl. This is propyl. This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 carbons, so it is propyl 4, and 4 ethyl, and again it is 4 ethyl. 4 ethyl. It is 4 ethyl. So there are 4 substituent groups. How will you write the name of this substituent group? You shall write in alphabetically order. In alphabetically order. M, E, and ethyl and propyl. So ethyl will come first. So you will write the name. What? Okay, 3,4-diethyl. The name will be 3,4-diethyl. 3, 4, 3 and 4 diethyl. Again the 2-methyl. The name here you will write 2-methyl and 2-methyl 4-propyl MNOP. 4-propyl hexane. The name of this compound will be 3,4-dimethyl. 3,4-dimethyl. Sure. 3,4-diethyl. 2-methyl. 2-methyl and 4-propyl. This one is 4-propyl hexane. The name of this compound will be 3,4-dimethyl, 4-methyl, 2-methyl, 4-propyl hexane. Now come to this structure. So here again you have to select the longest chain. The longest chain here is 1, 2, 3. And if you start the number from 1, 2 and 3, so the name of this compound will be 2,2-diethyl propane. So the name of this compound will be 2,2-diethyl propane, because the longest chain is of 3 carbon. So the name of this compound will be 2,2-diethyl propane. If you write the name of this structure 2,2-diethyl propane, then this structure will be wrong. The structure will be wrong. We are at fault to write the name of this structure, because here again I am telling you, these are the C2H5 group. Ca2H5 group should be written CS2 and CS3. C2H5 group should be written in this form. So here you write this is the C2H5 in this way. So this is CS2, CS2, CS3 in this way. So now the longest chain you will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The longest chain will be 5 of the 5 carbon, because CS2, this is our chain. This is our chain. This is the CS3 and CS3 and CS3, and this I write this C2H5 in the form CS2, CS3. So this will not be the longest chain. This will be the longest chain. So here the name of this compound is the 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the name of this the parent compound, the name of the parent compound will be pentane. The name of this parent compound will be pentane. Pentane. The name of the parent compound will be pentane. The name of the compound will be pentane. Then what is the full name of this compound? This we will write. This carbon is 3,3 dimethyl pentane. The name of this compound will be 3,3-dimethyl pentane. Now come to the this one, fourth one. The name of this. How will you select the name of this structure? So first select the longest chain. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are 8 carbon atoms in this. So you will write the so now this is octane, and now to show the location of the substance group, you should give the number to the longest this chain. So if you start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why did you start from this end? Because CS3 have the lowest position from this end. This methyl group have the least location number on this end, because here it is 2, and here if you start from this end, the CS3 will get the 3 number. So this will be right. On the behalf of this numbering, you will write the name of 2, 6, 7 5, 6, 2, 5, 6 trimethyl and octane. From this end, when you start the numbering from this end, you will write the name of this compound 2,5,6, 2,5,6 trimethyl octane. Now, how if you start from this end, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the name of this compound will be, sorry, here are 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 methyl groups. So again I will correct my mistake here. This is 2, 4 and this one is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 6, 6. 2, 5 and 6, 6. Tetramethyl. Tetramethyl octane. Again correct it. Again check it whether we are right or not. There are the longest chain of 8 carbons. So we start the numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 4 methyl groups. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 methyl groups are there. So to locate you will write this methyl group is on the 2 and this methyl group on the 5 carbons, then this will 5 carbons and this both the methyl groups are on the 6 carbon. So 2, 5, 6, 6 tetramethyl octane, the name of this compound. Now if you start the numbering from this end 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then it will be 3, 3. Then it will be 3, 3. 3, 3, 4, 4 and 7 tetra methyl octane. The name of this compound, when you start from this number, the name will be 3347 tetramethyl octane. So, which name is correct? Which name is correct? You should decide. We have written the two names starting from this end and starting from this end. So you know we should give the list number to the substituent group. So how will you correct yourself that which number are given the list number? So here find the total of these numbers. Find the total of this. The 6 plus 6, 12, 17 and 19. And here 7 plus 4, 11, 14 and 17. The total of this the located number is 17 and 19. So this name will be correct. This name, the starting from, you should start from this end and you should not start from this end. So here you have written the name of this compound. I have chosen a particular example to make your students all the rules of the compound. So here you find the total. How will you decide which name is correct when there are two possible structures? So when there are two possible structures, so please add the all located number, which the sum of the located number will be less. That will be the right name of that organic compound, that compound. So again, I am telling you the last example, CS3, CS2, CS3. Here, how will you write the name of this compound? The name. So first again, you should try here. Select the longest chain. The longest. Which one is the longest chain? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here it is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the name of the compound, the parent compound will be heptane. The name of the parent compound will be heptane. The name of the parent compound will be heptane here. So again, now there are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 substrate group. Then how will you name this structure? So start from 1. It is 1, 2. This is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here 3 methyl, 5 methyl and this is propyl. So 3 dimethyl, 3 and 5. Sorry, 3 and 5. 3 and 5 dimethyl and this one is 3 propyl, CS3, CS2, CS3, CS2 propyl. So it will be 3 propyl, or heptane. So the name of this compound will be 3,5-dimethyl 3-propyl heptane. We will start from this. If you start from this end, you will get. Suppose you start from this and check it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here 2, 5. The both is 5, 5, 10 plus 2, 10, 5 and 3, 3. So this number will be right. So the name of this compound will be 3,5-dimethyl 3-propyl heptane. There are 2 more structures and to write the name. How will you write the name of these structures? So first structure here, first of all you will find the longest chain. So the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, the longest chain of the here, the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The name of this compound, the decane. So here on 3 compound you will write 3 ethyl. This will be here 3 dimethyl, 3 dimethyl and 4 ethyl. 4 is on the 4th carbon there will be ethyl. So ethyl will come first. So 4 ethyl and 3 dimethyl. 4 ethyl, 3 dimethyl. Now I am telling you that this start with D and this start with E. So D must become first, but the prefixes or di, tri, these are not included in the name of this methyl. So this will not count in the alphabetical order. Trimethyl will not count in the T and D will not count in the alphabetical order. So here take it M. So the methyl. It is ethyl. Ethyl will come first. M will come later. So it will, the name of 4 ethyl, 3 methyl. Di and tri are not the part of the alphabetical order in this case. So again here this one, the 5. Again here is a 1, 2, 3. Here is in this substance group. Again you should find the longest chain. Again you will find the longest chain. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, no. But the carbon that is bonded with the chain, this carbon always must be given 1. The carbon that is combined with the chain or joined with the chain or bonded with the chain, that carbon should be given number 1. Or again, here it is also 1, so here 1 dash. 1 dash. So here 1 comma. So here CH. Now select considering this number 1, then you select the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So here 1 comma, 2 comma and 3 comma. The name of this substance group. The name of this substance group will be this is propyl and 1 methyl, 2 methyl. So we will write here in bracket 1 comma dash 1, 2 dimethyl. The name of this group will be this methyl is on the 1 dash. So here 1 dash. Here this methyl on the 2 carbon 2 dash. So here 2 dash 2 dimethyl. 2 dimethyl propyl. The whole group is propyl. This longest chain, the name of this group will be the propyl, because here there are 3 carbons. The 3 carbons, so the name of this the alkyl group will be propyl. So 1, 2 in the propyl, here you will find 2 methyl groups of the first carbon and second carbon. So 1, 2 dimethyl propyl. So the name of this compound, this whole substrate group is 1, 2 dimethyl propyl. This will be written in a bracket and it is be connected with 5. So if this substrate group is attached on the 5th carbon, so here the name of this compound 4-ethyl 3 dimethyl and 5 on the 5th carbon. This whole substance group will be written in the bracket in this way. So 5, 1, 2 dimethyl propyl, and the name last you will add the decane, because here are 10 carbons in this compound. So the name of this compound will be 4-ethyl 3 dimethyl 5 within bracket 1, 2 dimethyl propyl decane. I think that you have understood how will you write the name of such type of the compound. Here I told you about in the substance group. Again in the substance group, if there is a substance group is more than 3-4 carbon, then again you have to select the longest chain in that carbon. So from which start, so the carbon that is attached to the longest chain should be given number 1. Must be given number 1. Not should be, but must be given number 1. And then select the longest chain. So in this way you will find the name of this substance group 5, 1, 2 dimethyl propyl, and it will be written in this form. So again, come to this last structure. How will you write the name of this structure? So I clear this. So you will write this structure. How will you write? There are how many carbons? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 carbons. It means it is decaying. So I am telling you that I write here CH3. What is the meaning of CH3? The meaning of CH3, it is CH. There are 2 CH3 groups, you can write this CH3 group in this way, and this portion is attached to this. And here CH3 thrice, it means C have 3 CH3 group, CH3, CH3 and CH3. This is the form of this, the structure of this substituent group will be CH3, CH3. Again, this CH3 has 2 CH3, 2 CH3. You will write this CH2, CH3, you write CH3, C and CH3, CH3 and CH3. So you write in this form. So now how will you write? So to select, so first you should select the longest chain. So how will this longest chain? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 carbons. The longest chain is, so you will found the 10. But there may be any other longest chain. So again count from this. If you count here, this carbon is attached to this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is also 10 as the longest chain. So there are two possible structures. There are two possible structures. One C and C and C and C. There are 2 10. This is the this C. Suppose you start 1, 2, 3 and this is 4 and to C 10. C 10. So here C1, 2 and this is again C4. So you can start from this end or from this end. This end is also, you will count the total number of carbon 10. And if you start from this end, the total number of carbon will be 10. So which longest chain you will select to name this structure. So again you will count the number of substituent group in this chain. If you select this chain, you will find 1 substituent group, 2 substituent group and 3 substituent group. So if you start from this and from this carbon, the longest chain 10, you will find 1 substituent group, 2 substituent group and 3 substituent group. And if you start from this carbon 1, this carbon, from this carbon 1, 2 and this is attached with here like this in this way. So 2, 3. So you will find one more substituent group, 1 substituent group, 2, 3 and 4. So in this way you have to select this chain, this longest chain, you have to select this. So number 1 will be given to this carbon, number 2 will be given to this carbon and 3 will, this structure is like this. So this is 3. So the name of this, what will be the name of this compound? The name of this compound will be right here. Decane is the parent compound, decane. So how will you write here? So again the number 2 carbon has methyl. Here you will write in this form 2 methyl. 2 methyl. Again you will write 2 methyl. Then come to this place. This is the group. What is the name of this group? This the carbon has 3 CH3 group in this form. So the name of this group will be tertiary butyl. Tertiary butyl. The name of this group will be the tertiary butyl. It is tertiary butyl. I have already told you in my previous video that about the alkyl groups. So it is the tertiary butyl. There are 4 carbons. So in this form, this alkyl group will be known as tertiary butyl. And now come this. This is the CS3. This CS. All the CS3 are you will find in this way. So again I am writing here CH2, CH, CS3, CS3 and CS3. CS3, CS2, CS3 and this is CS2. Again, if this compound is CS3, CS3, CS3 and CS3. Suppose like this. This is CH3. This is the one hydrogen replaced from this. So the name of this compound, it has 5 carbon atoms. The name of this compound will be neopentane. Write down please here. Neopentane. And this will be group. The name of this alkyl group will be neopentyl. The name of this group will be neopentyl. So again I am writing here. Again, on which carbon the neopentyl is sent? So here tertiary butyl. It is again methyl and 2 methyl. Oh, sure. 3 carbon is also have these 3 carbons too here. So 3. Sure. 3 ethyl and 2 methyl. Here this is the tertiary butyl and this is 6 neopentyl. This is 6 neopentyl. There are, so I have told you so many names. Now standard understand that how will you write the name of this compound. So here now I write the name, full name of this, which substituent group will come first according to the alphabetical order. So here it is tertiary butyl. It is T. Tertiary butyl is on the 6th carbon. So tertiary butyl is on the tertiary butyl is the 4th carbon. So 4 tertiary butyl. So how will you write the name of this compound? So here first B will come first. T is not allowed. T is not considered in the alphabetical order because it is the B will be considered in the alphabetical order. So B will come first, and the name of this compound will be tertiary butyl. Then methyl and ethyl. Ethyl will come first, then the name will come here 3-ethyl. 3-ethyl. Then the N and M, 2-methyl. Then the name will here 2-methyl. Then the 6-neopentyl. Then the name will be 6-neopentyl. Decane. This actual name of this compound will be the tertiary butyl 3-methyl 2-methyl 2-methyl 6-neopentyl decane. I think that you have understood how will you write the name from the given structure. I have given you many selected that revises all the IUPAC rules. So please understand these rules to name. If you have understood well the nomenclature of alkane, it means you have done 80% work of the IUPAC system, because all the rest of compounds are depends on the rules of the alkane which you have studied in the nomenclature of alkane. So please like this video and take care. You will find in this video my classroom teaching experience. I am not going to edit this video. All the video is like a classroom teaching. As we study in our classroom, this video you will find in the classroom teaching. So please watch it carefully. Take it and spend some time to understand this video. Thank you very much.